teman-teman.
Good morning. I would like to just express my deepest appreciation and the great honor I've received today. I've been invited officially to India, Indonesia considers India a very great friend. India was one of the first country, maybe the first country to recognize our independence, to support us in our struggle for independence. We will never forget what India did to help us. I'm really honored today, and I'm doubly honored that tomorrow I will be the chief guest at your Republic Day parade. So, Madam President, I would like to express my deepest thanks. Excellency Prime Minister Modi, just like to express to you that I'm committed to promote closer cooperation, closer partnership with India. That is my determination. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.